Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth?
I do.
Please have a seat and watch your step.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Can you please state your name for the court and spell it for the jury and the court reporter?
Yes, Cornell McKenna is Cornell. Last name is McKenna, McKennie.
Thank you, sir. Where do you work?
Memphis Police Department,
Were you assigned to the Memphis Police? Well, how long have you worked at the Memphis Police Department?
17 years.
Were you assigned to, were you working at the Memphis Police Department back on February 2nd of 2022?
Yes, sir.
Did you receive an assignment to get some video back on that day?
Yes, sir.
Do you remember where you were looking for video from?
The Walmart at 5255 Ellis Preston.
5255 Ellis Preston?
Yes, sir.
Did you get some things to look for, within the video at a time?
Yes, sir.
What were those things?
It was supposed to be a white four-door sedan that's supposed to come on the lot of the Walmart and went to the rear of the business.
Okay. And was this after midnight that it was supposed to come on the lot?
Correct.
Did you go to the Walmart on Ellis Preston?
I did.
And did they have a security system with video?
They did.
They recorded video? And were you able to find some video of the white sedan coming on the parking lot at the Walmart?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to bring a hand forward another USB drive. Flash drive. Do you recognize that?
Yes, sir.
Is that the flash drive with the video that you got from the Walmart at 5255 Ellis Preston?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, if we could have that marked as Exhibit 123.
Okay, I've got an envelope marked Walmart surveillance videos with 2 sets of initials. With one being CM.
Yes.
Thank you.
Matter of permission to publish the video.
Go ahead, please.
All right, what are we looking at here?
It's the video of the Walmart parking lot with the white four-door sedan that entered onto the lot. This slide here, that's when it was approaching going to the rear of the business.
Okay.
That's the side view. That's the north side of the Walmart. Makes a left turn to now it's at the rear of the business.
This camera not quite as good. These are different cameras spliced together, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
That is currently the west side, which is the rear of the Walmart. It's traveling southbound in the rear of the business.
You said we're on the back side of the business?
Correct. That's the
This
video.
is stopping here, correct?
Correct. It's, and it's still facing southbound in the rear of the business.
All right. There's some dumpsters this next to you.
Correct.
You see someone exit the vehicle.
Correct. There's a figure exit.
And they get back in, correct?
Correct. Now it is traveling eastbound. That's going to be on the south side of the Walmart business. It's now making a left turn and it's now traveling. Well, it's going to make a U-turn and it goes right back behind the business the way it came.
Okay.
It's now going northbound behind the rear of the business.
Is that the place that stopped before by the dumpsters?
Correct. Now now it's sitting northbound where it stopped at.
Okay. Someone exits,
Yes.
puts the thing down.
It puts an unknown object down.
Where we're headed now, we're still at the back.
It's now, yes, now traveling northbound in the rear of the Walmart business. It's continuing. That is the entry exit of the Walmart, which comes out on Holmes.
Okay. Is that a different exit than the entrance?
Correct, it is.
Okay.
And it leaves out going westbound on Holmes.
Okay. I'm going to fast forward a photograph. You recognize that photograph?
Yes, sir, I do.
The aerial view of the Walmart at
Correct.
5255 Old Crest.
Correct.
And if we could have that marked as exhibit 124. We could publish that.
Go ahead, please.
I'm going to hand you this laser pointer. It should not be in my hands. You see, I think you just have to press this top button. It should be a red laser pointer. All right, Officer McKenna, if you could, with that laser, sort of show us the route that we just saw the white sedan take.
All right. Say press this top button.
The top button, yeah. And you have to point it directly at the TV. It won't point at anything. There you go. Okay.
All right, so it came southbound Holmes, it entered the lot right here. It came through, this is the front of the Walmart. It came through the north side of the Walmart to the rear. Stopped somewhere along right here, I believe, and it continued here. This is where it made the U-turn. It came back around. When it came northbound behind the Walmart, and then it went westbound East Holmes right here.
Okay. And this is all, and those yellow shades, are those all video camera ranges on the
Yes.
on the building?
Yeah.
And this was all after midnight on February 2nd,
Correct.
2022.
Correct.
Thank you, sir. No further questions.
Go ahead, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Officer McKinney, the video that we just watched, there was no date or time stamp on that, right?
Correct.
And through none of the footage could you actually see into the car.
Correct.
And there's not a clear photo of the license plate of the car.
Correct.
And this was just the video you were told to go collect of a white sedan in that area.
Correct.
That's all I have.
But it was a white sedan, right?
It was, yes.
And did you see a figure get out of that white sedan after midnight on February 2nd and drop something next to a dumpster back there?
Correct.
Okay. No further questions, sir.
Anybody?
Thank you, sir. You may step down. Please call your next witness.
State calls Officer Walker.
Officer Walker, come forward. Watch your step. Stand right here, face your honor, raise your right hand.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth? Please have a seat.
state and spell your name for the jury?
Lee Walker, Leewalker.
And where are you employed?
Miss Police Department,
And how long have you been with MPD?
31 years.
Where are you currently assigned?
Crime scene, Bravo shift.
And remind us, what is Bravo shift?
It's the day shift from 06:45 to 14:45.
Now, Officer Walker, how long have you been with crime scene?
16 years.
So is it fair to say you were in crime scene back on February 2nd of 2022?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, were you called out to 5255 Elvis Presley?
On that day, yes.
And what is at that location?
Walmart.
And when you why were you there?
At the request of the scene officers of the range station, also of the homicide division, to collect evidence.
And at some point in time, did you get information that this was regarding a missing baby?
Yes, I did.
Now, as part of your duties, the crime scene, do you take photographs?
Yes.
And did you do that in this case?
Yes, I did.
I'm going to hand you a stack of seven photographs. See if you recognize them.
Yes.
Are those photographs that you took at the Walmart on Elvis Presley on February 2nd of 2022?
Yes, they are.
Your Honor, I'd ask that those be the next exhibits numbered sequentially 125 through 131. Your Honor, may I have permission to publish? Yes, please. Officer Walker, can you describe what we're seeing here?
That's a photograph of the camera system that's on the southwest corner of the Walmart building,
And are we talking about the back side of the Walmart?
backside.
Sorry, skip on there. Okay. And what are we seeing in this photograph?
That's just a pullback shot of the same camera system.
And just
And that's the front of my work van.
okay. And just for the record, we're looking at Exhibit 126, going to 127. What are we seeing here?
That's the actual backside of the Walmart, but there's a cluster of cameras above one of the doors that I was showing that there were cameras positioned throughout the backside of the building.
Is that one right there?
That's one of them, but down a little farther, right there.
Right there?
Yes.
And that's another camera?
There's several cameras.
Okay. And then looking at Exhibit 128, what are we seeing here?
Those are the dumpsters that are back there on the backside of the building. Also under the plastic bag was the car seat that the officers recovered. And also in the far distance, you can see the elementary school that is back there. They also have camera systems on them.
Okay. And was that plastic placed on the car seat to protect it?
Yes, because it was raining prior to my arrival.
Now, looking at 129, what are we seeing in this photograph?
That's a close-up of the car seat that's covered.
Now I'm going to show you what's previously been entered as Exhibit 15. Do you recognize this photograph?
Yes, that's the back of my van with the car seat placed in it.
All right. And did you take that photograph?
Yes, it did.
And Exhibit 130, what are we seing here?
That is one of the items that was inside the car seat when I covered it from the plastic.
And Exhibit 131.
That's the cover to the car seat that was up under the plastic when we recovered it.
Now, Officer Walker, along with taking photographs as part of your job to collect physical evidence,
Correct.
and did you do that in this case?
Yes, it did.
I'm going to hand you an item. And if you would take a look inside of that package. quickly unwrap that. Do you recognize that item?
Yes, it is.
Is that the car seat that you collected at the Walmart on February 2nd, 2022?
Yes, it is.
All right, I ask that that be the next exhibit. And Officer Walker, did you collect some additional items?
Yes, I did.
I'm going to hand you 3 envelopes, and if you would take a look and see if you recognize those items.
Yes.
Can you start with that first envelope?
Okay. First one says pacifier. And the reason why I know is because anything that I tag in, there's a description of the item, and I put my initials and my work employee number on it to verify that that's what I'm submitting.
And when you collect those items, do you actually then transport those to the Memphis Police Department property room?
Yes, I do.
Your Honor, I'd ask that the pacifier be the next exhibit. And what is the next envelope?
It says here, pink and white baby mitten, which has my initials and my IBM employee number.
And did you collect that item at the Walmart on February 2nd of 2022?
Yes, I did.
Your Honor, I'd ask that that be the next exhibit.
All right, for those keeping count, we are at exhibit 134 with a pink and white baby mitten. Thank you.
And Officer Walker, that last item, do you recognize that?
Yes, it says pink and white baby blanket. It has my initials and my employee IBM number.
And did you also collect that item from the Walmart on February 2nd, 2022?
As soon as I open it up, I'll tell you. But I did place it in this paper bag.
And is that, in fact, the pink blanket that you photographed and collected that day?
Yes, it is.
I would ask that that be the next exhibit. Your Honor, may Officer Walker sit down and publish those items for the jury?
Hearing no objection.
Okay.
Go ahead, please, sir.
This is where, whenever I enter any item into evidence, I'll place my IBM number and my initials on these items to verify that later on when I come to court, if I have to come to court, that it shows that I personally did this myself. This one is the mitten that I recovered from a car seat that day. And this was the blanket that was on the car seat the day that I was tasked to collect these items. The initials, the IBM employee number, and this was the pacifier that I collected that day. Want me to do the seat also?
Yes.
Okay. This is the cover that was over it, which was plastic that was over that, and this is the car seat that I recovered the day that I was tasked to make the scene at Walmart.
If you all please start. Stand up straight. What I'm gonna do.